Are you trying to locate the fuse box in your 2026 Ford Expedition? In this video, we're checking out all the fuse boxes from the engine compartment to the cabin area. I'll show you where they're located and explain how they keep your SUV's electrical system safe and running smoothly. Engine compartment fuse box. The 2026 Ford Expedition engine compartment fuse box, officially designated as the power distribution box in Ford service literature, serves as the primary electrical distribution and overcurrent protection center for the vehicle's high amperage systems. Located under the hood, typically positioned on the driver's side adjacent to the battery, this box routes raw battery power directly from the alternator and 12-volt battery to major mechanical, powertrain, and exterior utility circuits. Constructed from high-impact, heat-resistant composite polymer, the housing is engineered to withstand extreme engine bay temperatures and continuous vibration. It features a secure multi-latch weatherproofing cover equipped with an integrated rubber gasket seal designed to prevent water, engine fluids, and road debris from infiltrating the sensitive electrical contacts. Internally, the power distribution box is organized into a multi-tiered grid layout. It acts as the physical housing for high-current cartridge fuses, such as J-case and M-case configurations, high-capacity ISO relays, and standard mini-fuses. Unlike the interior passenger compartment fuse panel, which primarily manages low-voltage cabin electronics, the underhood power distribution box is dedicated to managing heavy electrical draws. It directly safeguards the powertrain control module, engine cooling fans, starter motor circuit, fuel pump module, and heavy-duty towing electrical feeds. The box relies on a bused electrical architecture, using thick copper bus bars on its underside to split the main positive battery feed into distinct protected branches. This design minimizes voltage drop across high-load systems. When a high-current cartridge fuse within this box blows, it cuts physical power to its designated sub-circuit, isolating the fault to prevent thermal damage to the vehicle's primary wiring harnesses. Interior fuse box. The 2026 Ford Expedition interior fuse box, officially designated as the body control module or passenger compartment fuse panel in Ford service literature, serves as the primary electrical command center for the vehicle's low-voltage cabin electronics and body-related comfort systems. It is located inside the vehicle cabin, typically positioned in the front passenger footwell area, integrated behind a removable plastic trim access panel on the lower right-hand kick wall. Constructed as an integrated electronic control unit, this panel combines a physical fuse grid directly onto a printed circuit board that houses internal logic processors. Unlike the heavy-duty power distribution box located in the engine bay, the interior panel is engineered specifically for low amperage protection and sophisticated digital switching. It manages power delivery to the instrument cluster, the infotainment display, wireless charging pads, ambient cabin lighting, power window switches, steering wheel controls, and the supplemental restraint system. Type of fuses: blade fuse, standard blade fuse, mini blade fuse, maxi blade fuse, micro 2 fuse, micro 3 fuse, J-case fuse. Glass tube fuse, a GC fuse, SFE fuse. Ceramic fuse. Bosch fuse, DIN fuse. PAL fuse, low profile PAL fuse, standard PAL fuse, link fuse, mega fuse, high amperage link fuse. Fuse conditions. Blown fuse. A blown fuse means it's no longer functioning and needs replacement, while a perfect fuse is in good working condition and performing as expected. How to change fuses. Turn off the vehicle, locate the fuse box, identify the faulty fuse, remove the faulty fuse, inspect and obtain a replacement, install the new fuse, test the replacement. Safety precautions: disconnect the battery, wear protective gear, use proper tools, check for correct amperage, avoid water exposure. If this guide on fuse box location and diagrams is helpful, please like and subscribe for more tips. Thank you for watching.